Hello student. Today we will study about the interesting story His First Flight. As you know, our book name is also His First Flight. So, author of this story is Liam O'Flaherty. So first of all we will know about the author, Liam O'Flaherty. Liam O'Flaherty was an Irish novelist, short story writer, and major figure in the Irish literary renaissance. He is a writer of extraordinary storytelling ability and powers of observation. Let's see the introduction of the story first of all. The story by Liam O'Flaherty is an account of a young bird that is afraid to fly for the first time. He believes that his wings would not support him. Despite his younger siblings flying fearlessly with much shorter wings, he could not gather the courage to do the same. He was punished to stay hungry if he did not try. Thus, it was his mother that compelled him to fly by using food as a trap. The lesson reflects how one hesitates to take the first step and that fear is all in the mind. One should trust one's abilities because the fear of suffering is worse than the suffering itself. Let's see the story. The story starts from the young seagull. So the story is about a young seagull who is at that stage of life where he has to learn to fly. Unlike his younger brothers and sisters, he is too afraid to fly. When all of them went for flying for the first time near the edge of the sea, all of them except him succeeded. He could not trust his wings. He got terrified by the vast sea and got convinced that he could never fly. As a result, he was ashamed and disheartened and thus went inside the ledge where usually he slept. His younger siblings managed to take their first flight, despite their wings being shorter than his, but he could not summon the courage, though he tried so desperately. He was scolded by his parents for not trying again, but he was so afraid that he could not even move. Let's see the next line explanation. That was 24 hours ago. That means now he had been alone for a day after he tried because his parents were busy focusing on his siblings. They helped his siblings master the art of flying and diving for food. Food means fish. His older sibling even caught his first fish, which he proudly ate at a rock. While his parents celebrated it that morning, his parents taunted him all the way for being a coward. From the next line, the sun had now risen and he was feeling that heat more than ever because he was empty stomach since the night before he stepped out of his ledge or pretended to sleep on one leg to gain the attention of his family. Still, no one noticed him. His siblings were sleeping, his father was cleaning his feathers with his beak, and his mother was standing on another plateau eating fish while she noticed him. The seagull got mad on seeing the fish because he was very hungry. He loved to tear away fish and scrape his beak now and then. He cried in hunger to his mom while his mother screamed back angrily, but he kept crying, which soon turned into a joyful scream at the sight of his mother. Then flying towards him with a piece of fish. He got excited as she came nearer and thus leaned forward. Suddenly she stopped not too far from him. Out of excitement and hunger, he dived at the fish without realizing for a moment that he was afraid to fly. He got so excited that he fell as soon as he tried for a moment. He was in shock and stood still out of terror. All this lasted only for a moment, and soon his feathers opened as he flew. He could feel the wind against his breast feathers, stomach, and his wings. He could feel himself cutting through the air. He was not afraid anymore. He was just a bit nervous. But then his mother accompanied him. The whole family screamed out of excitement, thus celebrating his victory over fear. Next stanza. Once he overcome. Once he overcame his fear, he forgot that he was once afraid of it. He did all those things he once feared. He flied straight over the sea and could see the greenery and the mountains beneath him. He screamed out of joy as he enjoyed the victory. Let's see the next one. When he landed, his family landed along with him as a gesture that they were proud. They were screaming and shouting in excitement in their high pitched voices. He then went into the sea, where at first he got scared and thus panicked. He tried escaping but got tired and weak because of hunger. Thus, when he calmed down, he started floating in the sea. He was once afraid of this. He was once afraid of his family was celebrating in excitement and offered him food as praise. Finally, he had overcome his fear and had made his first flight. So, from this story, what we learn? From this story, the seagull conveys the message of self-confidence, motivation, and self-reliance. He flaps his wings to learn flying and gain the confidence to be independent. So, we should believe on our abilities and we should remove the hesitation to do any work.